love me, pretty little baby? I'm hoping that you do. You can ask the flowers. I sit for hours telling all the blues.